My neighbor sells big industrial diesel engines, and his company needs sturdier than normal pallets to move these engines. So, my neighbor got his son a job building these pallets, which I think is pretty cool. The most time-consuming part of the job is cutting 4x4s, 2x4s, and 1x4s into two different lengths, over and over and over again. They wanted a way to do this faster on a minimal budget, so I'm helping out by modifying one of these old radial arm saws that can be purchased on the cheap to be a pallet production machine. Oops. If only I had some kind of workpiece clamping device. Hello, flashing forward a couple weeks. I wanted to show the state of the shop. I am building a large production run of twin turbo vise jaws. It is taking a lot of time to get through, but this will get me caught up on everyone who still needs their jaw and then a whole bunch more so that I'll actually have inventory. Finishing that off this weekend, so at the very latest, if I owe you a jaw, I'll send it on Monday. Also, quick tease, got a few cool things in the works for Magswitch that I'll be showing off real soon. And speaking of Magswitch, we've got a woodworking sales job open, so if you want to come work with me, check out the details in the description.
And
Let me show you how it works.
oh, so you done?
The mobile base is done. There's more modifications,
Right.
but at least the base is done. So right now it's in stationary position. So the wheels are up, they're not doing anything. So what you do to turn it into mobile mode, you just push, so you gotta push down on this knob and turn it 180 degrees. Push down and turn, and then just pop it up. And now it's mobile.
And then how do you take it off?
Just 180 degree turn. One step. And then just lift it up.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Then same thing, just go backwards?
Yep, you gotta push down and you gotta push down again. It kind of locks.
Come on, guys.